for coming. It was long leave. Every time I thought, oh, let us catch up over a dinner or a lunch. It was not feasible. I remember we had that in 2021, right? So, that's whatever we said in 2020 or 2021. I think today we see the realization of it. If you can recall, I was this morning also telling Mashur that when we had our meeting in Steakhouse, right? Steakhouse, at that point in time, how many people were? We were close to 30, 35. And we said at that point in time, we estimated that we cross 100 and probably 100 to 150. Today we have nearly 180 people working for us. Not just that, we have too many projects to handle. And at any point in time, any project is coming, I'm actually looking at all of it. Because for me, you are the guys who have understood this. You are the guys who have exposure to it. You are the guys whom we can trust to take it forward. Are we doing really the best? Probably not. Probably not. Really, we are, maybe we made a little bit better. But are there things that we can improve? Obviously we can improve. Because the moment we say that we are the best, that's it. That's the beginning of downfall. We don't want. There are a lot of gaps. But what we said is, let's tackle the gaps because we have issues with the personalities, we have issues with the individual capabilities, we have issues with the project, we have issues with the customer. All of them cannot be addressed in one go. So initially our whole objective was to grow the market and become a recognized player in this market. And I believe, the blessings of Almighty, I believe that we are getting there. Probably we are not there, but we are getting there. And next couple of years are going to be turning point for us. Because now at least Pilot's name is visible in the market. People know, by name. And that's why they also, try to attract ex-pilot or current pilot employees. So I'm just telling you that your value is increasing. Don't commit now because value will increase even further. So until it gets mature, don't commit. Because everybody will say, okay, Ramesh, come. You are the guy who is managing the entire project. Naeem, please come. So until you mature, don't commit. This is like a policy. We said that 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. If you withdraw now, your capital will not be much. You will not gain that. So I'm not saying that do it after 2 years or that, but try to increase your value by investing in yourself. When I say investing in yourself, study. If you want to go for higher studies, do it. If you want to take up any courses, do it. If you want to learn AI, do it. This is the time. And I don't think that this time will come back again. And if you feel that no, I have already learned everything, that is not. If somebody is telling you, okay, you are working the hardest, it's not. Absolutely. So that was one thing that I wanted to mention. The second thing is that to improve the efficiency, productivity, effectiveness within our organization, and especially Saudi is growing very fast. And we do not have control over the contractors. At least our employees, we can get together, we can speak to them. But contractors, they are like plug and play. They come and go. They do not have any commitment. They do not have any loyalty. I want us to grow this team. And I want us to establish the relationships between ourselves. Because whether, we agree or not, even if we are spending 1 hour with each other, they are in our life, we are in their life. You cannot take it away. Right? Even now, 2 hours. All of you are in my life and I am in your life. Automatically. You cannot say that, okay, let us remove control and delete mark. You cannot. Because we have spent time together. In the same way, in the last several years, we have spent time together. And I want us to be happy. If we have any issues, any concerns, anything.